Guide to Mount Seymour. Minute Seymour is the winter wonderland in Vancouver, which is about half an hour drive from downtown Vancouver. There are also shuttle bus to the mountain in winter season from Rupert Station and Parkgate. You can ski, snowboard, snowshoe, hike here. You need to buy tickets or passes to the mountain in winter. You may go hiking to the nearby Dog Mountain without fee. This is the Snowshoe and Hiking Pass, which you can go to Brocket Point and Mount Seymour peaks. There are 3 peaks, and the first peak is Pump Peak, which is only recommended for hiking to in winter. Mystery Peak is the only peak for skiing down for paid customers, to my understanding. This is the most steep section to Brockton Point. The sun is so shy in the clouds. The first peak, Pump Peak, you can see. Brockton Point is about halfway to the peak. Vancouver is in the far sight, not so clear. Brockton Point, at an elevation of 1,265 meters. The highest peak of Mount Seymour is at an elevation of 1,449 meters. The Mount Seymour Trail is 8-kilometer round trip, with net elevation of 575 meters. The trail is an excellent day hiking in winter and summer. Now it is on the way back. To me, used to spend 1 to 2 of the time way up. See, they are skiing down. Check my video of Snow Mount Seymour hike to the top of Pump Peak. I saw many people climbing up to Pump Peak and then skiing down. A great day here for hiking.